Are you thinking about creating an online course, but you feel completely overwhelmed by all the options, the subscriptions, the add-ons, the pricing, and the complexity of all the platforms? 2 years ago, I was exactly on your shoes. I was on YouTube searching for the best platform to host my online course and sell my digital products. I was watching all these videos where you compare 10 different course platforms and I was taking notes. Most options, they were a little bit over my budget, and especially when you think about paying these long-term, let's say you launch your course start taking off and you will need to pay a monthly subscription, let's say for the next 5 years, and that felt very risky for me. And just like everyone does, I looked into Kajabi because that's the most popular platform out there that I saw people using. And yes, it sounded amazing. They have everything in one place, your website, your email marketing, your courses, but beyond the high price they charge, it also felt very restrictive when I consider like the tiers. I was looking for something more affordable just to test, and the most affordable plan, you could only create free online courses, and that felt very restrictive for me because if I'm thinking long term, if I want to add my courses, that means I'm gonna have to upgrade and basically double the subscription price, and I did not like that idea. I spent 2 months doing research, overanalyzing it, taking notes, and I've researched all the platforms that you can think about: Thinkific, Kajabi, Teachable, all these platforms. But then I found out through my business coach, Michelle Raw, that if I joined a business coaching program, I could get lifetime access to Teachery, which is a course platform. And by joining Wondering Aimfully Unlimited, I could not only get lifetime access to monthly coaching, resources, and all the things for my digital product business, but also included lifetime access to Teachery, which is their course platform. So that meant one-time investment with no monthly subscriptions, could host an unlimited number of courses and digital products forever. And on top of it, I would get ongoing value coming from WAIM, the resources, and the community. And I'm not gonna lie, it was scary to do such a big investment on my business for the first time. But after I paid it off, I just realized that was such a no-brainer offer because I paid that off years ago and I continue to get so much value from the community. I keep launching new courses. I have tons of different programs and students coming in pretty much every single week, and I just keep getting so much value from it that it was a no-brainer for me. And the best part of it is that you can offer lifetime access to your students without this having to cost you a monthly fee. Okay, so let me share with you why I decided to join Teachery over Kajabi. Besides the lifetime pricing that I already talked about, which is amazing, I also love all the customization options that you get in Teachery. So your course is not gonna look like everybody else's course where they just change the color of a button. Teachery is just like a blank canvas for your courses. You can create anything, you can add your own style, and each course can have their own feeling and vibe. That's actually my favorite part about creating a course or a digital product, is putting my Teachery hub together for my students. I have so much fun doing this, and that's why I'm offering a limited bonus. So if you decide to join Wondering Aimfully using my affiliate link, I'm actually gonna design your course for you. That's right. So you can actually focus on creating your videos, the content, and I'm gonna make all the visuals to save you tons of time. But this is a very limited offer, so make sure you send me an email just to check if this offer is still available. The other thing that I love about Teachery is that they have a very simple built-in affiliate program. That means that you can easily turn your students, your customers into affiliates, and all you need to do is just to add that PayPal email and set up the commission rate, and they're going to be paid automatically. If you are worried about having to start everything from scratch, don't worry about that, because once you join Wandering Aimfully, you get access to a library with course themes that you can just get started with them, and you can just tweak the colors and you can just brand it with your brand colors. Not only that, but you also get access to all the resources inside the coaching program that can show you the step-by-step to build your course using Teachery, the step-by-step to customize it, so you can just follow the framework. Okay, so let's address the big question. Was it worth it picking Teachery over Kajabi? The biggest reason I joined Wandering Aimfully was to get lifetime access to Teachery, but it turned out to be the best investment that I have ever made on my business, because I wanted to launch this course, which was my first course on how to use Notion for beginners. I used the resources on how to launch a course. I created the course, everything just following that resources, and in my first course launch I made $1,800, which is not a life-changing money, but for me it was completely life-changing. I was like, oh my god, this is actually possible, and I made that amount in 2 weeks. So it basically nearly covered the investment that I made to join Wayne. And then I just kept launching new programs, new digital products, hubs for my customers, and all the different things, and all that without having to pay for a subscription, which almost feels unfair because they keep adding resources in the program. Jason and Caroline, they are such amazing humans. They are actually the reason why I started this channel, and they completely changed the direction of my business. So yes, it was 100% worth it. So if you are a solopreneur and you are in the early stages of your business, you need to think about what is the long-term vision for your business. If you are planning to host like memberships and different digital offers, and just ask yourself what will serve you best as you grow. Follow your intuition and just pick the one that you feel more excited about and is going to be the right choice for you. And if Teachery feels like the right fit for you and for the long-term vision of your business, I'll leave my affiliate link to join Wandering Aimfully Unlimited so you can unlock this bonus with me. You get a one-to-one call with me so we can plan your course, you can plan your launch or talk about anything you want, and you also have me to design your course for you so you can focus on the creation. Hey, do you have any other questions about Wayne or Teachery that I didn't cover on this video? Make sure you drop them in the comments, and I also have all the video where I talk about Wayne here.